we on? Oh, we are. Just 1 second. We're trying to rose mount the car as much as possible. Brand new camber arms. Probably going to buy those from Driftworks because they seem reasonably priced and they're uniball. Ben from Hack Engineering, on the link here, is supplying Millway pretty much the whole rear end. So we've got the solid subframe bushes going on, the Millway upper arm uniball bushes going on, Millway uniball trailing arm bushes going on. They've already previously supplied me with a load of bits. Yeah, so I've bought a built diff with a 4.1 final drive to try and get a bit more pace out of the car because it's pretty slow. Just literally trying to work out. We're going to lose some weight, so get rid of the interior bits, get rid of the sunroof, get rid of the subwoofer and the sat navs and the speakers and the stereos and all that unneeded shit can go. I just need everything that I've got to be able to just gap everything. That's basically about it. As long as it turns in and it brakes well, the power's kind of like secondary. Yeah, boot floor, what about it? My boot floor is fully reinforced with the adequate plates. Everything was fixed, welded. There's no problems with the boot floor of my car. This was done last year, obviously, because we didn't paint the car purple this week. Yeah, the boot floor was a mess. It was literally hanging, so stripped it all back to bare metal. All the reinforcement plates were added on, all welded, spot welds. Then treated it with adequate seam sealer, underbody, and then obviously base coat and lacquer. And so far, so good. It's holding out all right. It did start to like pull again a little bit on some of the seams, we got all that sorted out. So don't worry, internet. I'll be safe.
Taking a picture of me.
I'm doing the fucking Instagram because people.
Good things take time. Down. It needs to come down more.
Get you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I'm saying you want to take her time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. And I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said has been said.
You look sick.
We're at a track day. We're at the annual #TrackStormers track day, I believe, something like that. Davey and Dave organised it.
You brought 2 cars today. Are you going on?
I don't know. I've got a passenger band, so I'm definitely going to be doing some laps.
Yeah, packs.
I only drive at the Nürburgring, so.
Do you think you're better than everyone because you drive at the Nürburgring?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone that knows how to drive at the Nürburgring is better than everybody else. Sure. That's what Mitch said, isn't it? Ooh. Ooh. That's why he's driving.
What are you talking about?
Mitch from the internet.
I don't know that Mitch.
Mitch the bitch.
Oh yeah.
Like the one at the unit. Wow! Why do you even own this? Not a fucking. What? Man's got that London stuff.
Oh, another one.
What's another one?
Hey, I walk around like that.
Simon with the Supra. Yeah, Simon.
I know you from the internet. I'll talk to you on Facebook.
Although,
this is like 7 fucking 12 BTG man here with a Supra. 780. Oh, so you'll take the 2 seconds.
anxiety, I said I'm done with that final now.
You know this. The first one of the day.
Thank you very much, Joker.
Someone fucked it out there.
Yeah, first one of the day. So, but essentially,
Yeah, you sub 3, mate, in the wet. Yeah, it's fucking epic, that is. It's good.
Yeah.
2:59.2 here.
I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Tell me, is this freedom, baby? Chasing after danger, making my heart race. Whoa, maybe if the stars align, maybe if our worlds collide, maybe on the dark side we could be together, be together. Maybe in a million miles on a highway through the skies, someday soon we'll be together.
Are you driving?
No.
Are you driving your car that you paid for?
Get fucked.
Have fun, be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
We're gonna go drifting! So, we're not gonna go do any drifting. Some cunt's crashed. Because some inconsiderate tosser has crashed.
Fully admitted the Haribos. Hello,
my name's Jake.
Wasn't sugarcoated, was it?
Co-owner of an M3.
I'm looking like Mario. It's me. Oh, Luigi.
Sorry. I didn't even know I'd done that.
I'm gonna slap this and Paul's car.
Okay. RatDog.
Unbelievable. Get that shit off my car. Fuck, we are one helmet down.
Is this legit?
Okay, so we're... It's only because he's quite pulling everyone out of the way, and then...
Gave Jake a kiss and Pete went, love you.
Yeah, that was the fan. I saw it spin. Yeah, no, that was the fan spinning.
I'm sure you want to do this again. Your last visit to the NURBURGRING was quite eventful, wasn't it?
Oh, that one. Yeah, so it started out fine, didn't it? You know, went out on that with Pete. We started the lap pretty good, and then car's fast, obviously. Was fast, I should say.
Yeah.
And then we got to SK, SX, however you want to announce it, and we started then going backwards towards the barrier at quite a fast speed. Yeah, so I'm looking for the barrier coming on and hoping that the worst doesn't happen. And then we flip 7 times.
So obviously from that video you could kind of see how motorsports has the potential to become very dangerous. I think sometimes we do take it for granted, what we go out and do on these track days and on TF and things like that, and the possible impact it can have on your life and people around you.
I mean, obviously when you go out, be prepared, wear protective gear, and if the worst does happen, just be ready for it.
No, what I was saying as well was we don't go out without a helmet on TF now because, yeah, you never know what can happen. Some cars are caged, so as soon as that car rolls, if your head touches a hard roll cage,
if it touches anything, it's
going to cause a lot of damage. And obviously, even in a standard car that you're in, your helmet had a scuff.
Even in Pete's car, which had just a roll bar at the back, my helmet still got scuffed a little bit from the impact. And then Pete's helmet itself, because he's a bit taller than me, got absolutely ruined because he smashed his head quite a few times off the actual roof of the car. So stay safe. Listen to the marshals. They are there to help us. They're not there to kick us off the track at the end of the day. They're just trying to make sure that everybody has a nice, safe track day and we all go home in one piece at the end of the day. But if the worst does happen, don't panic. If you can see impact coming, just brace for it. You know, that's the best thing you can do. And, you know, hopefully at the end of the day you can all sort of drive home in your car. And if you can't drive home, at least you can walk home, because metal is replaceable, but your life is not. So look after yourselves when you're out there, guys. Let's not put another one in there.
Yeah, and yep.
Say, I survived another track day.
Yeah! You had a good time?
I've had a lovely time. Gap Nuno.
Okay.
Kept up with Nuno. He looked like a mess on track. A mess!
Oh man, alright.
Mitch the bitch. Don't get caught up with